coffee tables. So we're going to start off with mesh and circle. Just pull that circle out a little bit so it's nice and big so we can see it. And then we are going to go to edit mode, press F for fill, E for extrude, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to go outwards and we're going to curve it. So scale outwards, E for extrude, E for extrude, scale inwards just slightly, E for extrude, and then just scale inwards again. Right, so this is going to be the tabletop. This is going to be a basic premise that we're going to be working with. So I'm just going to lift that up a little bit. The next thing that we want to do is just shade that smooth. We're going to just have that as one media today. Let me see. So we're going to go with circle again. But what you want to do this time is rotate it. Press 9-0 on your number pad. I just realised. Hold on. Oh, where have we gone? I've got the screen keys. So S to scale, G to move everything. Just get rid of that. Right, so we've got this now. Just gonna scale this upwards a little bit. Edit mode. We're gonna go once everything's selected. Go E for extrude. Scale upwards. Scale outwards even. Just slightly. So we get this. E for extrude. And then E for extrude again. Just make sure that you're working on the same plane. And then scale it back inwards again. Gonna go up A. E for extrude. Then scale that puppy inwards a little bit. Okay, so this inner ring right here that we've got going, we're just going to select the vertices in that. You know what, I'm going to go back on that a minute. I think that I kind of went off on a tangent. So E for extrude, just keep it on the same vertices as I said. E for extrude, scale inwards. It's been a long day today, like my brain is just fried. Oh my goodness. Right, scale it outwards a little bit. Okie dokie. Right, so we're going to go A, select everything, and then E for extrude, scale inwards. Then we're just going to select the run in the middle. Just go around the outside there. And then just scale that down just a little bit as well. So we've kind of got this donut going on. I'm just going to subdivide this. Go back to object mode. Right click. Shade smooth. I might do a smoothness on here.